Hey guys, I'm using my, well, not really new, night vision. Yeah, night vision not really good. It's not really new. It's another camera that I got from eBay. It's a Canon ZR200 MiniDV camcorder. However, it is somewhat defective. What I mean is that it's somewhat like broken. The volume switch, I cannot control the volume switch other than turning it down, because like turning it up something's broken, or like I don't know what's wrong with it. But something's wrong with the tape. Or actually no, there's nothing wrong with the tape. Just the zoom on this thing. It's a pretty good zoom. Let's see where Owen is. I don't know where Olivia is, but I know that Owen's down here. Unfortunately, this camera is kind of defective, and like the menu button doesn't work, so I can't like change the setup or anything. And also the there's like a problem with the lens. The problem with the lens. Well, there's nothing wrong with the lens, but there's a problem with the tape. And plus, I really don't have good batteries. I have a 1500 milliamp battery, but like, it's really like defective and it doesn't work very well at all. And plus, my other I'm going to my room. My other cameras. Here's my other cameras. There's the only two that I have right now. My Sony Handycam DCR ZR68. My Sony Handycam DCR DVD 101. That's the one I use a lot. Unfortunately, I don't have so the it's really like not good. The menu button doesn't work, so maybe I'll take it to a camera repair shop to get it fixed, due to like it being like broken or something. Not that it's broken. Take it to a repair shop. We need to like fix that menu button. But yeah. So hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you in my next video.